Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own paper plate unicorn. And at the end of this video, we're going to be opening up some Cloudees so we can see our favorite pets, so stick around. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. First, let's grab our gold foam paper so we can make the unicorn's horn. Then grab our scissors and cut a piece off like this. Now let's cut it so it has a tip on the top, and let's shape it. There we go. Now let's grab our pink construction paper so we can start doing the ears. Fold the paper in half. Then cut along the fold. Now we're going to cut a square so we can use that piece for the ears. Alright, now let's shape our ears. Then take our white construction paper, and that's going to be the outer part of the ear. As you can see, I already folded this paper in half. Now let's take the pink part of the ear and put it over the white paper so we can see how much of an outline we need. Now just cut all the way around. I'm going to use this glue for the horn and the glue stick for the ears. Now I think I'm going to cut the horn a little bit so it's a little shorter, and then I'm going to glue it to the plate. Put a little glue like this, and then glue it to the plate. Push it down on the plate like this, and also it's a good idea to let it dry. That way everything can stick together. Okay, let's grab our ears and we're going to glue them together. Put some glue on the pink part of the ear and glue it to the white part. Push it down together and do the same for the other ear. Put a little more glue like this. And now we have both of our ears. Now just glue the ears to the plate. Now we're going to grab our flowers and glue them around the horn. Now the flowers I'm using can be used as stickers, but I want everything to stick, so I'm going to glue those on. So what I did was lay out how I wanted my flowers to be. That way I knew where to put them. And then I just add some glue and stick them to the plate. Now let's grab our black paint and a paintbrush. And we're going to paint her eyes. And just do the paintbrush like this. Good job, guys! Then just do the same to the other side. There we go! Alright, so we're almost done. We just have one more step. And if you're like me, I don't have any pink paint. So what I did was grab my red and white paint. Now I'm just going to mix them together, and then I'll get pink. Now put the white paint. Now let's mix it up. So what we have to do is make two circles, one on each side. So let's grab our pink paint, and let's start. There's one, and now to the other side. Put a little pink paint here. And there you go, guys. Your very own unicorn. Alright guys, you completed your unicorn. Look how awesome that looks. We did such a good job. And just like I promised, we're going to open our Cloudees. Look how cool they look. Look at that unicorn. It's almost as cute as ours. And there's another. I also have a mini that we're gonna open, and we're just gonna see what the difference is. On this one though, it says 3 surprises inside. Ooh, I wonder what that means. So it looks like there's 14 to collect, and so we'll just see what we get in ours. Okay, let's grab this guy and let's open it up. Got that part. All right, let's see what's in here. It's got little question marks, so let's see what's in there. Ooh, okay. So we got a little keychain here that's gonna actually connect to our Cloudees, so that's cool. Little keychain. Let's put that right there. And this little packet right here. It's got little rainbows and also some more question marks, so I'm guessing this is one of the surprises. It says Cloudees right there, so let's open it up. Let's see if I can open it. If not, we're gonna need some scissors. Good thing we were doing our art project today. I got my scissors, so let's just cut that right there. All right, you ready, guys? The big reveal. Oh wow, this is so cool. I think these are just like accessories for our little Cloudee. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at, he's got little shoes. Okay, it's probably the hair. Got little shoes. Oh, look, it's a little cloud. And I'm not too sure what this is. Maybe it's something that goes on its head, but we'll figure that out once we open it. All right. So let's put all this to the side. Put it right there. All right, let's move our unicorn. We don't want to mess that up. We worked so hard on that today. All right, so here's our Cloudee. Let's open this up. It's got a little, I guess these are the directions. So we're gonna pull, let's open this up and see what happens. All right, all right. Let's see, you got a little booklet, okay. These are the accessories right there. Let's accessorize. Yes, please. All right. Got some directions right here. So we're going to follow these. That way we can get our Cloudee out. Okay. Is there anything else in here? Oh, cool. Showing you where each pet is from. See, Starry Way, Rainbow Point, Snowflake Hills, Windy Way, Sunnyland, Stormyville, and Raindrop Village. So let's see where our Cloudee is from. Oh, and then it also has these sort of like moods. Commonly cool, pleasantly special, hot, and sizzling hot. All right, guys. Let's keep going. Put that to the side. So I guess this is that stopper that we need. Okay. Let's look at our directions. All right, that's number 3. Let's go to direction number 1. Number 1 says, let's pour water over the seal and fill to the top. Okay. So I'm guessing this is right here where it says stop. Don't peel yet. Fill to the top with water. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna grab some water that I have. And it could be any kind of water. You can get it from your faucet. It really doesn't make a difference. I just had this and this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm guessing there's gonna be some sort of like fill line, and I think you can kind of see it right there. So let's just fill that with some water. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now the second instruction says, okay, pop. Push the stopper through the closed lid and seal until you hear a pop. Then wait for 5 seconds. All right, so it's saying that we need to put this on top of the Cloudy like that. Okay, so that's the seal. And then we're gonna use the stopper, which is this thing, and we're gonna put it right in here. Pop hole here. So we're gonna push it down. Oh, awesome. Cool. Okay, so we got that part. Alright guys, so now we're on step number 3, which says hold the stopper in place and shake well for 60 seconds. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab, this is the stopper right there. We're gonna grab the Cloudy and we're gonna shake it for 60 seconds, okay? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. We made it, guys. Okay, all that shaking, and now we made it to the 60 seconds, and the last step is now we're gonna reveal our pet. So basically we're just gonna open this up and see what we got. Okay, so took out the stopper. Oh wow, look at all this cloud fluff. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. Let's find out where it's from. It's the Snowflake Hills. Definitely. Look right there. Wow, okay, so let's open it up. There we go. Oh, cool. Look at this. Ah, it's got a little fluff on her. That was pretty easy, guys. That was real fun. I've never opened one of these before. So the one we got is actually Shivery Bunny from Snowflake Hills. So Snowflake, obviously, it's gonna be cold. And look at this. That cloud fluff. It's like snowing on her. It's so cool. Okay, let's see. So now I know what this is. This is a scarf. So when it's real cold, you just put a scarf over her neck, like there. Look at her, she's got a little scarf on now. So this actually goes, this accessory, remember we got it out of that bag, goes right in here. So let's try and put this on the back of her right there. Oh, it snaps right in. That. And then she's got her little shoes. They're like little snowshoes because it's cold where she lives. Try and put that on her feet. Got one on. And we got another. We're gonna put on the other foot. Ah, there it goes. Yeah, and it's like if she's standing in the snow. Look how cool that is. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's our little pet from Snowflake Hills, Shivery Bunny. So the way that they have this is you can actually take your Cloudy with you everywhere. So what you can do is put your pet in here. You could either keep the snow, or if you want to be a lot less messy, actually take the snow out and you get your lid that we had before and you just put that right there. And remember that cloud that we had in this little accessory bag right here? We're gonna use that and we're just gonna cover it right there. Push that in. All right, and then we have this keychain, and that actually goes here. Up right there, and basically just slide that in here. All right, and then it kind of just locks on like that. There you go. And you can basically take this with you everywhere. That way you always have your Cloudy. That was pretty cool. I'm so excited. Let's see what the mini is. So here's the mini, and it looks really similar to the other one that we just did. Just got a little wink. I think I like the little winks there. Okay. All right, so this is the mini. Let's open it up. And there's a little mini. It's so cute. There it is. All right. So let's see, this one's a lot different than the other one. Let's see what the difference actually is. Oh, okay, so the difference in this one is that you don't have to actually do with the water and all that stuff. It already just has the pet in there. And look at this pet. Look how cute that is. Wow, okay, so we have that right there. Let's see, oh, everything is a mini size. So tiny compared to the other one. And oh, okay, some probably more accessories. Let's see, and some more crazy hair. All right, so let's see if this says anything. It's got some instructions right there for the mini. It says the contents of this package has one cloud case, one surprise mini pet, one tail, and one keychain. Okay, so this is actually the keychain. It's a smaller version of our other keychain. And that's what's gonna go here, just like the last time. This is your tail, just like the other one. Okay. Alright. Oh, and then it's saying that it has a display. So it has this little hole right here, and then you would just put your little mini there. Just on display. That's so cool. Alright, let's see what else it says. Oh, okay, just like the other one, we have our little minis. So where's our mini? It's got a little swirl up there, and it kind of looks like this little guy right there. Okay, so that one is Bluesy Kitty. Hey, Bluesy Kitty. How are you today? Oh, look at that little face. Okay, so Bluesy Kitty is from Raindrop Village, and it's commonly cool there. Nice. Wow, okay, so here's the little hair. Let's take it off of here. This is the tail, and let's do what we did last time, and we just kind of click that. Whoop, I think I got it. There we go. Cool. Look at all that. This little mini. Alright, so like I said, it has this little display. Look how cool that looks. Look at this little mini. Alright, and then if you want to, just like the other one, you want to store it, you want to take it with you, you put it in there. And then also we got the keychain, so you can take it with you wherever you go. And it's like that, and then you just put it on here, and that's how you store it. Look at that. So it's almost the same like the other one, but the other one requires a few steps where you have to actually make your cloud fluff, and then it reveals your pet. But I like both of them. I liked having both and experiencing both of them, and they're both really cute. So let's open it up and let's compare the sizes of these little guys. Okay, so that one, and let's see if we can open this one again. Look at the difference already. Look at that. Okay, let's see. I think we could just open the top like that. Look at her. She's in the snow. Okay, and that's the difference. Look at that. And they're both actually from cooler. This one looks like it's rainy. See there, and this one, it's like winter with snow and scarves and snow boots. Alright guys, so that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'll post a new video every week. See you later, super kids.